Taizhou Newsland Machinery Equipment Company Ltd. is a machinery manufacturer and supplier that the company is divided into various departments such as Production Department, Research Department, Quality Control Department, Technical and Assembly Department and Sales Department. Our factory is equipped with gantry milling machine purchased from Taiwan, gantry rail milling machine imported from Italy, domestic gantry planer, and also equipped with professional examining devices such Doppler interferometer imported from USA, malfunction tool use microscope, reading microscope, balance checking equipment etc. All these equipments made us an enterprise with qualified metrology. Company mainly supplies CNC and CNC EDM machine. CNC wire cut EDM machine, EDM hole drilling machine, VMC, CNC lathe machine and CNC busbar processing machine. Our goods sell well at home and abroad. Our machines mainly are exported to UAE, India, Egypt, Russia, South America and so on. Quality guarantee, tech creation and service in time, is our enterprise principle, all staff should abide by. If you want to cooperate with us, please don't hesitate.